You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, chrome wheels, brake assist, engine block heater. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.